Hey guys, Chris here with Goodland Travel Agency. We are here at Secrets Cap Cana. We're going to be touring the Preferred Club Bungalow Master Suite Oceanfront. Hey guys, now moving inside, we have a king bed here in a separate living space. This comes standard in all master suites. Come on, let's check out the bathroom. So here we have a double sink. Now, this being a preferred club room, you're gonna have some upgraded amenities here. A razor, toothbrush, toothpaste, anything you need, they will get for you here. Separate room for the toilet, just like all standard room categories. And what's special about this shower, let's take a look. You have two rain shower heads, but the highlight is this oversized jacuzzi tub. Great for soaking in the evenings, all while opening up outside with great ocean views. One of the other things I'd like to highlight, since this is a bungalow suite, you have high-rise ceilings, adds a lot of character to the room. Jumping over here, we have Nespresso. Again, great for enjoying a morning coffee out on your oceanfront balcony. Since this is a preferred club, you will have upgraded mini bar service. This is restocked daily to your preference, as well as your standard mini bar amenities here: water, juice, Coke, and El Presidente. What's nice about the preferred club master suites is that they have your own private balcony right outside. Now, the master bungalow suites all come with their own private plunge pool. If you're looking to take your vacation to the next level, these are a must. My wife and I really love the plunge pool suites. It's a great way to kind of highlight your trip with something very unique. They're great for coming back in the afternoon, taking your own dip in the pool, enjoying a cocktail maybe that you grabbed at the bar, coffee. They're just a really fun way to kind of bring your vacation to the next level. Guys, thanks for joining us on this tour. Again, my name's Chris. I'm the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. We are your all-inclusive experts here in Punta Cana. Please reach out to us. We'd be happy to book your next trip. We'll give you personalized service and expert knowledge. Chris here, the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.